There should also be standard Wi-Fi, but I'm not sure if it goes into...
So we've got a rocket that's instrumented, right?
Yeah, we've got a pressure sensor and a temperature sensor up at the top.
Yeah.
Incredibly poorly designed.
And I think the odds of this rocket flying straight are pretty much zero.
Yeah. Oh, wow, this is really short. This is way shorter than I thought.
Well, you know, it's going to be a little bit dangerous.
You might get a bit burned. Let's hide behind my backpack.
I think the thing what to do is to chase after the rocket because it'll get stuck in the deep grass. This rocket is fully instrumented. So he's trying to get the code up and running so we can download the data.
2, 1, and launch. Oh, went pretty high. Oh, okay, we're fucked.
Where's the parachute?
We are so.
Picked up thermals.
Well, we've lost it. We won't be able to get it. This is just too far.
In the trees, you think?